Hey everyone, I'm here at the at Irvine AV Event Center. We are actually covering the California Masonry Summit today. We'll be capturing all this down there. We have the main stage. We have a couple other stages that we're going to be capturing. We're having static cameras capture all full sessions. So we'll be having I think just 2 cameras today capturing full sessions. We'll be in different areas, but yeah, we'll take you along and see what this event's all about. Right here we got some vendors going on. They're setting up, getting ready. Pro tip, come a little earlier just to get the lay of the land before you arrive at the, or when you arrive at the event center. Here's our stage. Hopefully these partitions won't be in the way, but we'll see what we can get. We're just gonna get this stage here. Yeah, it should be interesting. Nice event center, by the way. Love the lighting. All right, so first things first, we gotta get coffee. Gotta get that caffeine fix just because it's early and had to sit through traffic. So we're gonna get that going, and we'll see in a bit. And here is the breakfast spread, or morning spread. Coffee. Pro tip, guys, if you're ever doing events, capturing full sessions, stuff like that, make sure you ask for power drops for your camera so you have constant power all day. You don't have to eat through battery or you have the risk of the battery just running out of juice. So we, for this event, we've requested for a power drop. And you should also, if you have the capacity or your camera has the capacity, always ask for an XLR drop. That's basically a clean audio feed directly from the soundboard, so you get clean audio. You should get an audio drop request for that, and it should be right here when you request. And those are just 2 things that we always ask for when we're capturing full session at events. That and risers, but today we don't need a riser since we're actually pretty high up already. And usually the riser, that's just so when we're filming, if someone passes by, you know, their heads won't be in the way, right? So we want to be elevated almost the same level as the stage. But again, today we're way up here, so we have no one that's going to be passing by the cameras or getting issues. But maybe downstairs in our second stage, that might be an issue. We don't have a riser, we can get one, or what you can do is get a tripod that goes pretty high. I think ours goes 78 inches. 78 inches and up, it's pretty good. Usually it won't get in the way, or people won't really walk in front of it, but they shouldn't anyways. But yeah, just again, as a pro tip, always ask for power drops, XLR drops over there, and risers. Make sure you get risers. And if you can, one more, if you can, always ask if they can do stage wash, because stage wash will brighten up the stage, brighten up the speakers, and you're not pushing and cranking up your ISO, you know, just to get the shot and introduce noise, right? So make sure you get those, guys. Alright, so we just set up our camera, everything looks good. Let me give you a tour of what we're working with today. So, today we have our Sony Z200. Sony Z200, all around great camera for these types of events or sessions, capturing all of that. We have our SmallRig tripod right here, and our Sony headset. That's to monitor sound. Yeah, and it's a pretty compact package. It's all really need essentials. We don't want to bring too much and too bulky. We usually want to stay nimble. But yeah, that's our setup today. Seriously, just 1 camera, tripod, and headsets. All right, guys. Pro tip: make sure whenever you are filming an event, you format your cards, but just make sure that you offloaded all the data, but format them just to make sure there are no issues when you record, because that's the worst that can happen. But by formatting it, it should be good to go, especially on longer days like this. And we are good to go with this camera. All right, as you can see, this is our frame. We are framing the stage as well as the LED wall, but always confirm with your client and lock it off once they confirm. I'm probably going to confirm with them if they want this whole LED wall in the frame or if they just want the speakers in the stage area. All right, we are done with this setup up here. We're going to head downstairs and set up the second stage. A little bit easier down there, but we'll see if we have our XLR and power cable. All right, so here's our second stage. It's a little bit smaller. We have a panel going on. We're going to set up the camera in the back of the room, and we're going to put it in the corner, so it's not in the way. Then here's our setup for the second location. Again, pretty tall tripod, getting that stage. That is our frame. And there we go, same exact camera setup as upstairs. This is our venue, looks pretty nice. We got our meeting room space down here as well. And here is the lobby. More spaces over here. And this is our area. All right, everyone, quick update. So we have our stage frame just like this. If you can see it, we have the stage at the bottom, and then we have the screen. Normally, I would zoom in and just frame everything, just kind of like this, like this, where we kind of have the stage at the bottom, and then we have the screen at the top. But the client did say, hey, you know what, we might have to punch in if they don't have a presentation, so we won't need that big screen. So what I like to do is I like to film wider than normal, so when we do crop in, since we're filming in 4K, make sure you film in 4K. When we do crop in, you know, I have enough space to crop in and it doesn't look weird. I can actually center the stage in post after I crop in. So yeah, just a pro tip, you know, if you need to get two different shots, two different angles, make sure you film in 4K and also shoot a little bit wider than normal, so then you can crop in post and it won't look odd. All right, let's talk a little bit business. So how did we get this gig? So our partner Alex, he is actually in charge of all our SEO, all our marketing stuff, and he does a great job. And so yeah, we popped up. We are located in Orange County. Specifically, our address would be in Anaheim, but we're out here in Irvine. So you know, we've gotten a reach, or we've gotten it to where when people search for us, you know, we're all over Orange County. So yeah, that's how we got this gig. So hopefully, you know, when you do find some gigs or maybe even target specific event planners in your area, see if you can work with them, collaborate with them, because you know they have a ton of events that they're going to be doing and working on, and hopefully you can be one of their go-to videographers, vendors, photographers, whatever it is, for their events. And yeah, this is going to be a start of a great partnership with the event planner that hired us. So yeah, looking forward to more of these types of gigs with them. All right, so we are about to finish the first session. We're about to get to the second location and make sure cameras are all good there. But yeah, we just gotta make sure everything's good to go for this next session.
The project you're doing, you can add 10 years to that, as well as if you use a.
All right, looks like we just finished the morning session. It's lunch. About to get some sandwiches and get lunch. Rest a bit, wait for Eric. Eric's coming in, gonna film, and we'll do the afternoon sessions. Hey everyone, we got Eric here. He's gonna be taking over the afternoon sessions, filming up here. Right now we're just grabbing lunch. Here's the stage area. It's pretty good. But yeah, lunchtime, let's see what we can eat. Eric's hungry. Eric loves lunch. He loves getting lunch. He's taking photos of it. This is our view from our table. Pro tip, if you want your salad to taste better, put a lot of ranch, like a ton of ranch. Ranch is like the best thing ever made. All right guys, just got done with my shift today. Eric's over there, he's He's doing the next one, the afternoon sessions. I'm headed back to the studio to get some stuff done over there. Eric's gonna finish up out here. But yeah, pretty much an easy, good day today.